Hi everyone, today we will present our analysis titled Analyzing Ecuador's Rainfall Indicators. This project was basically developed to analyze rainfall patterns in Ecuador and understand how precipitation varies across different regions of our country. So our research question is, are there statistically significant differences in average rainfall totals across the administrative regions of Ecuador during the recorded period of time? So to answer this question, we analyze two main variables. The first variable is the average rainfall totals, which represents the amount of precipitation recorded. And the second variable is administrative regions, represented by P code in our dataset, which identifies different provinces in Ecuador. By comparing rainfall values between regions, we aim to determine whether geographic locations influences precipitation patterns in Ecuador. The rainfall data used in this study comes from two reliable sources. The first source is the World Food Program, and the second source is the National Centers for Environmental Information, which provides climate and environmental data. Before performing the analysis, the data needed to be cleaned and processed. So first we remove rainfall values lower than 1 millimeter, since these values may represent measurement noise or insignificant precipitation. And second, we organize the data by province, which allowed us to compare rainfall levels across Ecuador's administrative regions more effectively. Next, we calculated descriptive statistics to better understand the distribution of rainfall in the dataset. And the mean rainfall is approximately 42.36 millimeters, while the median is 23 millimeters, indicating that many observations fall below the average. And the standard deviation is about 51.46, which shows that rainfall values vary widely across the dataset. And additionally, the data shows positive skewness, meaning that most rainfall values are relatively low, but there are some periods with very high precipitation. Overall, the dataset contains more than 400,000 observations, which provides a really strong statistical basis for our analysis. To test our research question, we conducted a one-way ANOVA test comparing rainfall between different provinces. The results shows a calculated F statistics of approximately 130.79, which is much larger than the critical F value of about 1.56. Additionally, the p-value is essentially 0, which is lower than the significance level of 0.05. Because of this, we reject the null hypothesis, which assumes that all provinces have the same mean rainfall. This means that rainfall levels differ significantly across Ecuador provinces, suggesting that geographic and climatic factors plays a really important role in precipitation patterns. In conclusion, our analysis shows that rainfall patterns vary significantly across the provinces in Ecuador, and the descriptive statistics reveal a really high variability in rainfall, with some regions experiencing much higher precipitation than others. The ANOVA test confirmed that these differences are statistically significant. These variations may be explained by geographic factors such as altitude, proximity to the coast, or even regional climate conditions. Understanding rainfall distribution is important for agriculture, water resource management, and also climate risk planning in Ecuador. And for future research, it would be valuable to investigate how factors such as elevation or distance from the ocean or climate phenomena like El Niño and La Niña can influence rainfall patterns, and additionally, studying rainfall trends over time could really help determine whether climate change is affecting precipitation in different regions of the country. Thank you for your attention. We really hope this analysis contributes to a better understanding of rainfall variability in Ecuador.